What is up, YouTube? This is Zach, Dreamedia Home Theater. If you guys are not a subscriber already, make sure you smash that subscribe button down below and give me a big thumbs up on this video. Today I am out here in Frisco, Texas, and I am showing you guys a 7.1 Klipsch Reference Premiere system with an Epson 4K eShift projector, and we're going to do a demo for you guys. If you would like to purchase anything home theater related, make sure to reach out and show your support. We would love the opportunity to earn your business. Alright guys, let's get into this demo.
Reduced to a single instinct. Survive.
Alright guys, well, that is a wrap on my demo of this Klipsch Reference Premiere system. You guys know that we've been selling Klipsch forever. It's definitely a very good value, and we are continuing to bring on new and exciting manufacturers, all the industry leaders really, to be able to offer to you guys so that we have a little bit of something for everybody at all different price points. And then we are building up our preferred installer network throughout the entire nation so that we can back all of the industry leading best products with the installation. We really appreciate y'all's support. It means the world to us. Well, I hope you enjoyed this little demo. Obviously that last one with Mad Max, this is not a full Dolby Atmos system, although it does have the capabilities to be one. With that AVR, you can do like a 5.1.2. But in this situation, customer just wanted to do a 7.1, which there's nothing wrong with that. It gives you a lot of options because pretty much everything has been in 7.1, which is really nice. But make sure to reach out, guys, if you are interested in doing a home theater. We specialize in finding the exact thing that you need for your budget. We itemize all of our charges line by line so that you can pick exactly what's right for your budget, and our guys will tailor that to your space at absolutely no cost with our free consultation service. So reach out today, guys, and we'd be happy to help you out. If you like this video, make sure to give me a big thumbs up and smash that subscribe button down below for more. This theater here was in Frisco, Texas. Alright guys, till next time, this is Zach, Dreamedia Home Theater. Thank you for watching. Just cruising through the neighborhood. On to the next one.